Hello students. In last part we have studied about the Monera. Monera has two parts. Monera bacteria contains two parts on the basis of the cell membrane, which is made up of the polypeptide glycans, and the second one is lipid. Archaebacteria, which are also bacteria. Archaebacteria cell wall is made up of lipid. The next part is eubacteria. These are the tube bacteria because they are self-dependent bacteria. They convert the atmospheric nitrogen in ammonium compound. Ammonium compounds without utilizing the CO2, means they do not synthesize their organic food with the help of CO2. They have the special enzymes, nitrogenous enzyme, which act in absence of air, that converts the atmospheric nitrogen into ammonium compound to produce food. They have rigid cell wall, filament, or found in colonial means colonial में पाए जाते हैं. Mostly these are freshwater organisms. Mostly these are freshwater organisms. There are the different subgroups of these bacteria, such as cyanobacteria, Mycoplasma, Chlamydia, actinomyces, and rickettsia. These are the subgroup of eubacteria. They are also called BGA, stand for blue green algae. They contain contains nitrogenase enzyme which act in absence of oxygen and helps in biological nitrogenification. Biological nitrogen फिक्सेशन मीन्स एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन को प्लांट्स डायरेक्टली कैच नहीं कर सकते, तो ये बैक्टीरिया जो होते हैं ये बायोलॉजिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन करते हैं, मीन्स नाइट्रोजन को, एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन को नाइट्रेट नाइट्राइट में तोड़ करके अमोनियम कंपाउंड में चेंज कर देते हैं. द बायोलॉजिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन occurred in special cell which are called heterocyst cell. हेटेरोसिस्ट रिप्रोडक्शन के अंदर बताया था कि मोनेरा के अंदर रिप्रोडक्शन 3 टाइप्स का होता है. बाइनरी फिजन्स आप कह सकते हैं, फ्रेगमेंटेशन एंड हेटेरोसिस्ट. हेटेरोसिस्ट के अंदर क्या होता है, दे हैव द एबिलिटी टू प्रोड्यूस द स्पेशल जर्म्स, कह सकते हैं दे जर्मिनेट थ्रू द, आप कह सकते हैं फिलामेंट्स, दे फॉर्म जर्मिनेट एंड फॉर्म द न्यू फिलामेंट, और न्यू फिलामेंट से न्यू बैक्टीरिया प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है. Mostly these bacteria are autotrophic. These bacteria mostly autotrophic because they have the ability to fixation the atmospheric nitrogen into the ammonium compound, as well as for example कह सकते हैं नॉस्टेक एनाबिना. इनके बाहर की जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन है दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ, एक किस्म से आप कैसे सेल वॉल होते हैं 4 लेयर की होती है, म्यूसिलिजिनियस कंटेंट होती है जिसमें फिलामेंट कंटेंट होते हैं, फ्लैजेला होते हैं जिसके द्वारा मूवमेंट भी कर सकते हैं, बट फ्लैजेला इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन साइनोबैक्टीरिया. द सेल वॉल ऑफ दीज बैक्टीरिया has 4 layers which is covered with mucilaginous that contain flagella. This flagella, hair-like structure, help in movement. The flagella help in movement, but cyanobacteria that has lack of flagella. साइनोबैक्टीरिया के अंदर फ्लैजेला प्रेजेंट नहीं होता. दीज आर द फीचर्स ऑफ यू बैक्टीरिया. एग्जाम्पल आपकी बुक में इसका डायग्राम शो कर रखे हुआ. म्यूसिलिजिनस लेयर डिपॉजिट होती है इसके ऊपर, विच कंटेन द स्मॉल फ्लैजेला. दे हैव द स्पेशल सेल which have the ability which have the ability to synthesize or to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogen compound, ammonium compound. That cell is called heterocyst cell. Heterocyst cyst cell. Mucilaginous. These are the features of U bacteria. Next one is Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma. It was discovered by two French scientists, E. Nordhoek and E. R. Roth in 1898. These are produced from the pleural fluid from the cattle which are suffering from pleuropneumonia. These are developed from the pleural fluid of the cattle which are suffering from pleuropneumonia. प्लूरोनिमोनिया ये जो था प्लूरल फ्लूइड से प्रोड्यूस हुआ किससे? उन कैटल से जो प्लूरोनिमोनिया से पहले ही सफरिंग कर रहे थे. they don't have cell wall, so they have the ability to change their shape. Means there is no fixed shape. Change their shape. They are spherical, granular, or irregular. Means they don't have any cell wall, so they can have the ability to change their shape. So they are also known as PPLO. Therefore, they are also known as PPLO. बोले तो प्लूरोनिमोनिया लाइक ऑर्गेनिज्म. They can suffer, means they can affect the animals such as dog, sheep, and man, and cause disease, or plants such as potato, brinjal, or corn, and cause disease. there is not much so surety about the reproduction कि इस माइकोप्लाज्मा के अंदर रिप्रोडक्शन किस वे से होता है, बट इट इज जस्ट लाइक एज the reproduction can be obtained in the mycoplasma by the body elementary. There is no such surety that the reproduction in mycoplasma but the reproduction is occurred by the body elementary. There are the special parts by which they can reproduce. These are the features of mycoplasma. We have already studied about the Monera. The next kingdom is Protista. Protista. These are the unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Monera is also unicellular. Protista and Monera both are unicellular, मतलब body organization is cellular level. But there is a special difference in Protista and Monera is Protistas are eukaryotic. It means they have the nuclear membrane. All the cell organs are distinctly bounded with the membrane. They are aquatic organisms. These are autotrophic or heterotrophic, just like as Monera. But if you are mixotrophic, means autotrophic and saprotropic, saprotrophs भी, autotrophic and saprotropic. Autotrophic and saprotropic both are combined from the mixotrophic. Example इसका आप दे सकते हैं यूग्लिना. For example, यूग्लिना. Protista categorized in 3 subgroups. Which one? Protista. 3 subgroup: autotrophic, और आप इनको कह सकते हैं फोटोसिंथेटिक. Second one is consumer or decomposers. And third one is protozoa. These 3 subgroups of Protista. Autotrophic and synthetic, these are dinoflagellated, diatom and euglena और यूग्लिनाइड भी हो सकते हैं. कंज्यूमर्स और डिकम्पोजर्स, cellular slime mold or acellular slime mold. Acellular slime mold or cellular slime mold. And protozoa, these are sporozoans और फ्लैजलेटेड, सॉरी सीलिएटेड ही कर दीजिए. These are the three different subgroup of Protista. We will study about the different types, different subgroup of Protista in the next part. Clear?